What's up, guys? It's Hotwheels Tournaments. We are live from the Target Collectors event. I'm here with John Racer 3, looking silly in his GoPro, and his brother Chris. We've already been successful today. We just got here. We went through a shipper, and if you look at that, I pulled a Camaro Super, and Johnny over here has a nice little Porsche somewhere. There we go. There it is. Found myself a Porsche 934. We're about to go to the racing station, film some videos there. We got free cars that we're going to use. It's going to be sick. We'll see you there. What's up, guys? Before we can get to the racing, we actually have to customize our Hot Wheel car with these stickers they handed out. And if you notice, you can make your car a treasure hunt. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So I've gone with the Mazda Repu. Pretty blank car, pretty blank slate. You can do a lot of cool stuff to it. So there you go. There's our free car. Let's start building it. We are gonna go. We got some if you look at the sticker sheet, we got a bunch of 68s because this is the Hot Wheels 50th anniversary celebration. So we're gonna use those 68s to customize our car. 68s. Alright, so we got a nice little 68 on the side there. I'm gonna time lapse the rest of this build. We got the treasure hunt logo right there. We put some 68s on it. Got some nice flames. Got the Hot Wheels logo. Plus, it's part of the launch unit team, is what I've decided. And then my favorite part of this car, right on the back here, we got another 68. Same thing on this side. Oh no, pretty cool car. Here's Chris's car in the background here. We decked it out with some flames, some Hot Wheels logo, and the treasure hunt. Looks pretty cool.
Oh, nice crash.
So I don't know if you could see it from the racing action there, but this Mazda Repu that I picked and customized, it's pretty fast. Fastest car of the three. It's been unstoppable all day long, undefeated. So yeah, now we're just waiting for the dump-in when we can get some live hunting action. It'll be cool. See you then.
Yeah, I have one.
You're up there.
Here's the 4TC drop.
If you guys want to wait in line, then once line goes through, you
1 second. Cool.
Alrighty.
If you wouldn't mind just ringing them up on the car too. Yeah, go that over there.
Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick little haul recap before I end this video because I assume you guys want to see what I got. Of course, this is the custom truck I built, the Mazda Repu. As it tries to roll away here on the table, we'll focus in on that. So there it is, that's a custom truck. You saw that earlier in the video, obviously. Let's go through all the cars I ended up getting. First off, we'll start off with some supercars. The new Lamborghini Aventador, which is called the Aventador Mira Homage. So really, this is the Aventador. This is nothing's changed about this casting. It has a different name though because it's paying respect or tribute to an older casting, the Lamborghini Mira. We then have the Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo in orange, one of my personal favorite cars, and a McLaren 720S, which is one of my personal favorites as well, and I assume a lot of you guys quite enjoy that car. Alright, let's go with the next three. We got a red version of the Ford GT Race, looking very racy there. We've also got one of, actually probably my favorite car I found today because I didn't realize it was in the assortment, and when I saw it, it looked absolutely awesome. The 2015 Ford Mustang GT convertible. That car looks absolutely sick. Normally, I wouldn't say go for the yellow wheels in this case, but it ends up working out here, so it looks very nice. And the new Porsche 918 Spyder. Alright, we've got a Target Red Edition, the 2015 Ford Mustang GT. Absolutely love that car. It looks really, really nice. Well done. This is one of my favorite red editions of the year. The Lotus Esprit S1 in red and black. Really like that car. Nice color duo. And one of my personal favorite castings, as many of you know, the 2012 Ford Fiesta. Looking very nice in white and green. Alright. Next up. We'll save that car, actually. The Pagani Huayra Roadster in red, so some more exotic cars. Looks really nice. This might be the best version of the car yet. It's between this one and the blue one. Wasn't a big fan of the gray one, but the red one and the blue one both look really good when it comes to this casting. We have another version of the 2015 Ford Mustang GT. I like that car so much I picked up two. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS in white looks very nice as well. For all of you that follow my NASCAR channel, I got a Ryan Blaney car. I know a lot of you are complaining he's not in this season, but there's my Ryan Blaney diecast. And before we get to the two big cars, I got one of the 50th anniversary Hot Wheels. This card art, this packaging is exclusive to this year. They're celebrating 50 years of Hot Wheels, as you can see here. That's why Target had that whole event. I decided to go with the 67 Camaro because that's the first car Hot Wheels ever made. It was a Camaro. So a nice little tribute here. Looks very cool with those red lines. I'm not sure if I'm going to be opening this thing up, but it looks absolutely awesome. Let me know. Should I open it, keep it carded? In the comments down below. I want to hear your opinion. Alright, now it's time for the two big cars. The first Super I found in a shipper that was out there, the 2017 Camaro ZL1. The regular version's alright, but the Super version is absolutely awesome. That metallic green looks really good. Really cool. Nice to see we get some hood tampos on this version of the car. I'll probably be doing a cracking of this either on my main channel or the Matchbox Madness channel. Not sure which yet. And then the Super you guys saw me find live on camera. The rarest Hot Wheels Super Treasure, probably, or one of the coolest, I think, because it's celebrating 50 years of Hot Wheels. It's not part of the main line. It is the Bone Shaker, the exclusive Super Treasure Hunt. So I believe, I'm not sure if it was exclusive to Target, but I know it's exclusive to like this year. They're never going to do something like this again. It's commemorating the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. That's why it's got different card art. Instead of having the blue packaging up here, it's got the 50th anniversary logo. It's part of the Hot Wheels 50 race team, making it very special. Very cool. Super happy to add this one to my collection. Kind of a beat up card. Again, not one if I'm sure, not a car I'm sure if I'm going to open or keep it packaged. Let me know what you think I should do down in the comments below as well. So that's my quick car recap. I'll see y'all later. Peace.